everybody. Mandakay tayo sa isa. Kung isa salamat tayo. Kung ikanak ng Kristiyan. Bisalamat kami sa kayong katawan. Interior kasi nalamami namin. Yung unlad yan, sayang okasyon. Kung magsilidra kayo na 7 years ng Kristiyan. Salamat sa katawan. Pinilibong yun ang kabalgan niya panangalit ng binisyon. Saray atin to, aray paito, luto, aray mami, si mami to, aray agabi to, amin dalay kakapinsan to, wadyaran namin sa pamilya'y mayroong, ng taray pamilya'y ni mami kura. Salamat sa katawan. Pag-interview si kami, panangasi. Diyan naray Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Ulay, anti ka, yung baga, na para si Christine, santaray atin to. 7 years ago, Christine was born from her devoted and loving parents, Elmer and Maricris. She was cute and beautiful, whom her parents are proud of. When she was in her kinder school, she was very active in her class and very attentive to her teacher. She was very interested in all her subjects and very eager to do her homework. She has always part in their activities like dancing, singing. Christine did not give any problem to her parents. Now Christine is 7 years old. She is healthy with the blessings of our Lord and with the love and care of her parents, Elmer and Maricris. Thank you.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Ayan, talaga naman exciting. Okay, so this time, pwede na pa tayo umupo. At syempre yung mga kids natin, this time para talaga mas happy. More energy, all tayo ng malaking circle. Okay, dito na natin si Christine. Okay, form tayo ng malaking circle. Para tayo mag-perform, syempre kids, maghahawak-hawak kamay. Okay, so hawak-hawak kamay kids.